so today I'm coming at you with a tutorial on how to make a foot soak slash detox bath, as well as how to make a foot scrub. And the reason why I chose this as a topic is because it's like something that we don't pay attention to. We don't pay attention to our feet unless we're either going to get a pedicure or just because we might be showing them. Like, and during the summers when we do show them the most. And for me personally, I don't go get my feet done. I just do it myself. I'm really ticklish on my feet, so I have yet to ever try pedicure. So I decided to look up some ways that you can do your own, like, you know, little at-home system. And basically the first thing I want to show you is how to make this foot soak and detox. And basically what this does is, with this mixture you can actually detox your feet and make them back to baby soft, and as well as taking the toxins out of your body through your feet. There's definitely other more complicated ways that you can do this, but this is one of the easier ways, and this one at least you have everything at home. And then for the last thing, I do the foot scrub, and this one is really simple. You only need 3 products and actually 3 small amounts, because for a lot of these things you do need big amounts. So for my tutorial I'm going to be just making them smaller for the sake of myself and the fact that this is the only biggest probably like glass thing I own right now. And then this isn't actually a plastic container, but I'm going to use this right away, so it doesn't really matter. Now if I wasn't going to use it and store it, I would put it in glass. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients you need for the foot soak and detox, as well as the foot scrub. So to the left we have the ingredients for the foot soak and detox, which is your Epsom salt, table salt. Most likely you would rather have kosher salt, the measuring spoon, your baking soda, and a glass jar for it to store in. Then to the right side for the foot scrub we have our brown sugar, also baking soda, olive oil, and another measuring spoon, as well as the old cupcake holder so that I can put the ingredients in that. So let's get to it. Hi, so we're gonna get started making the foot soak and detox. And basically for this you need 1 cup sea salt, 1 cup Epsom salt, or instead of the sea salt you can use table salt, and 2 cups of baking soda. But for mine I'm going to make these measurements even smaller, so I'm going to be taking a half of each. So basically I'll be using 1/4 cup of table salt, 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, and then a half a cup of baking soda, only because I like my stuff to be in smaller portions instead of larger ones, and this probably won't be able to hold as much as the instructions said. So basically and so this is about 1/4. We just pour it in. Then we'll take our table salt and pour in 1/4 cup of that. Make sure to pour back into. This is about 1/4 cup of the table salt. And then we'll use a half cup of baking soda, so I'm just going to fill it up to the top. It's basically your half a cup of baking soda, and I'm going to pour it into the jar. I'm going to do it over this thing. And for this reason is the exact reason why I made the measurement smaller, because I definitely don't have a current container that can hold the 1 cup and 2 cups. So at the bottom we have the Epsom salt, in the middle we have the regular table salt, and at the top we have the baking soda. What I'm going to do is close it and mix it that way. And basically everything's mixed together, and this is your end result. And what you'll do is every single time you make your foot bath, you'll add 1/4 cup of this to the water and soak your feet for half an hour. And that's it. Now we're going to do the foot scrub, so stay tuned. And so now I'm going to be doing the foot scrub, and I'm using a old cupcake container because this is all I have and I want you to be able to see it. And basically all you do is you'll take 1 tablespoon of each ingredient, and that's basically how it goes. That's your 1 tablespoon. And then you're going with your baking soda. And I'm gonna do this over here. Pour this in. And then you'll use your olive oil. And pour that in. And just with my hand. And this is what it looks like. And that's it.